Hello guys, I'm going to solve another presentation task for you today. So for that reason, I have already downloaded the source files and the question paper. I will provide link in the description of this video from where you can download the question paper as well as the source files. So what you have to do is to download those source files and follow along and follow my lead and do the practice. Whatever I am demonstrating, you have to do the practice of that. So let us start. So this is task 3 on my channel. So task 3 for presentations. So I have to I have chosen this paper from October November 2017, and we are going to do only presentation task from this. So I have to scroll down all the way down. After the mail merge, there is a part that is referred as presentation, and this is task 6. So this is the task that I need to do. Let us start. So you are required to create a short presentation. All slides must have consistent layout formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should display a title and bulleted list. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file n17growth.rtf. For that reason, you see my source files are here, and the file that I need to open is n17 growth. So to open this file, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open my PowerPoint presentation. So here I just have to click on open, and I have to navigate myself to my particular work area where I have stored my files. So this is the file, and as you see, once you open that particular folder, you can see that it's written no items match your search. So but here you can see all PowerPoint presentations. As you know that in our source file folder there is no presentations, no PowerPoint presentation, so that's why nothing is visible. But what we can make, because we have to open RTF file, so we have to make all of the files visible. So here you can see n17 growth file. This one we have to open in our PowerPoint. So we have opened this file. You can see RTF file in our presentation. So what I have to do, I just can save this file. They did not ask to change the name and sort of thing. So I'm going to choose the default name that it's going to give it. So this name is given as cruising a growth industry. So I'm just going to save this in work area. The thing why I'm saving this in my work area, because it's better to save your work. You never know, maybe your system can crash or something uncertain can happen, so you can lose your work. So that's why it's important to save your work. So I'm just going to save this. So once done with the saving, so let me open these files side by side. So now all of these steps we have to do in our master slide. As you can see that create a master slide, display the following features on the slide. As I already have told you in the previous task, that slide master is a very powerful tool for the presentations. If we want to put some elements that should be same in all of the presentations, maybe some logo sort of thing. So it's not a better approach to just go to the individual slides and add all of those logos or sort of thing that are required to be repeated, same things. So slide master enable us to do this in a very efficient way, so that once we open the slide master, we are going to put um, any logo on the first slide, it's going to be reflected in all of the other slides. So basically what we are doing is that we are editing only first slide, and it's going to be reflected in rest of the slides. So let us open our slide master. So just click on view, and there is option of slide master here, as you can see. And then you can see once you open the slide master, by default your last slide is selected. but I will stress this too much that you always have to scroll up and select the first slide, because we are going to do editing in our first slide. So that is what we have to do. So next step, if I just go for the paper now, so it is saying the company logo N17 logo.jpg position in top right corner, appropriately sized with aspect ratio maintained. Okay, so here what I am going to do, I have to locate a logo. So this one is the logo that we have to place. So I'm just going to copy this logo, and I'm going to paste it in my master slide. So here, so I have pasted here, and they said that you have to arrange this on the top right corner with appropriate size. So here they are saying that uh, with the aspect ratio maintained. So we have to maintain the aspect ratio as well. But here below that, a 3 to 4 point wide horizontal line across the full width of slide and below to the logo about 3 centimeter from the top. So basically they're asking that you have to draw a line that is going to from the top it should be 3 centimeter. So for that reason, one thing we can do, we can show the ruler, and based on that ruler we can draw a line. But there is another way to do it. So they ask that from the top, uh, you have to draw a line that is from the top 3 centimeter. So for that reason, what I can do, I can select this logo, and if I just go to picture format here, if I just zoom in here, you see this double quote is representing that this is in inches, fine, 2.84 inches. So what I can do, I can make it 3 centimeters, fine, and I'm just going to write 3 cm. So I don't need to change the width, because width is going, aspect ratio is going to be maintained, so it is going to be automatically changed. So press enter, you will see that my logo is now 3 centimeter high. So I'm just going to adjust this 3 centimeter high logo here. So now it's very easy for me to draw the line here as well, because as you can see, my logo is from top to this point is 3 centimeter. So now it's very easy for me to draw a line, because they were saying that it should be from top here up to here 3 centimeter. So I just have to insert, go to the shapes, and there are this line to line shape you're going to take, and you're going to draw a line here, and you have to draw this line exactly under this logo. So it's going to be from the top 3 centimeter. If I just show you the instructions here, the 3 to 4 points wide horizontal line across the full width of slide below the logo about 3 centimeter from the top. So as I have adjusted size of the logo, so it's 3 centimeter high, so my line is automatically underneath it is 3 centimeter from the top. I'm just going to highlight this, that we are done. And also the weightage of this line is to 3 to 4 points. So click on this line, and then you have to go to shape outline, and there is option of weight, and they said that 3 to 4 points. You can see 3 is here and 4.5 is here, so it means that we have to choose 3 points. And you can make it black, it will look good. So yeah, that is perfect. Next step is that just arrange these placeholders in a way that it should not be uh, you know overlapping with the line and also the logo. So I just have dragged these placeholders a bit down. So once you're done up to this point, they said that the text Tavora cruises in black italic 48 points above the line, aligned to the top left of the slide. Make sure text does not wrap. So this is the text that we have to add above the line. So you see there is no placeholder here, so we have to add our own. So for that reason, I'm just going to click on insert and text box. I'm just going to put a box here, and I'm going to paste the wording here, the wording that they asked us to put. So Tawara cruises. Now it's black. It should be italic, 48 points high. So I'm just going to select it and make it italic, and it should be 48 points, so you can see. And one thing very important about this, they said that it should not, text should not be wrapping. Fine. So but here, by increasing size, now text is wrapping. So what I can do, I just can stretch this. So now it is perfectly all right because it is coming in one line. Okay, above the line, align to the top left, make sure the text does not wrap. So we are done with that, and it is aligned on the left side. So as I can show you, I just can highlight, and yeah, so here it is aligned on the left side. Now let us see. Next, your name, center number, and candidate number, bottom right corner. So here you have to write your candidate number. So your name, center number, candidate number. So for that reason, you can use insert header and footer. So for example, if I just insert header and footer, so you can say by default this location is selected. Fine. So we don't want that center location. We want a location on the right side. What I can do, select this placeholder and delete the select holder placeholder, and insert your own text box here. Fine. So like this, and once you are done, so you have to put your name. So how you're going to do, right click on this and edit uh, the text here. So here I'm just going to write my name, center number suppose, and then my candidate number here. So as I have added on the right side, it's going to be repeated on all of the slides. Next step is that we are done up to this point. Automatic slide number in the bottom left corner. So here, as you see here, date is inserted, but we don't want date. We want automatic slide number. So if I just insert through header and footer, you will see if I just click on slide number, so it is taking center, but we have to apply it on left side. So for that reason, I can take my own text box and select this portion here, and then uh, click on insert, and there is option of slide number. You can see here. So select this slide number. Now slide number is going to be added. So we are done up to this point. We have applied all of these formatting. Uh, so highlight this one as well, apply all of, we are done with this step as well. So I'm just going to highlight this as well. Make sure no master slide element, text or chart overlap. So how we are going to see this, by just getting out of master slide master. So just click on slide master and close the slide master and scroll down. You will see that everything is perfectly all right. No overlapping of text is there. And also you can see that left side, bottom left, you are going to have a slide number and your name and sort of thing. Okay. So we are done up to this point. Now they're asking that create a pie chart using data in N1 7 pasno.csv. The chart should show the number of passengers by region for only 2019. So basically they're asking us to make a pie chart in one of the file, that is CSV file. So we have to locate the CSV file. So in this case, this is the file that they are talking about, and you can see that there is some data that is available with us, and I'm just going to select this entire file by clicking here and double click on any separation, so that uh, width of every cell is automatically adjusted. So I have to make a pie chart. So for these three entries and also for 2019, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select these regions and also keep on clicking my control key and select 2019 data, and then click on insert, and then you can go for the pie chart. So select this pie chart, and you can see that this is the pie chart that has been added. Now let us see what else is required from them from the paper. You see, the chart should show number of passenger by regions 2019. So we are done with creating the pie chart. So I'm just going to highlight this. Label the chart with the title 2019 passenger by region. So here you can say this chart title, I'm just going to label it as 2019 passengers by region. What else they are asking us to do? Display a legend. So display on each sector only the percentage value. So on each sector, you have to show the percentage value. Legend is already there. Legend entry 1, legend entry 2. So it's already added, so no need to add the legend. But what we need to add is that on these each of sections, we have to put a percentage. So for that reason, just click on the chart and there is option of chart elements. So click on legends, data labels, sorry, and then click on more options. So you can see that values are there, and we just need percentage. Fine, so no need of values. So select percentage here. So percentage is now visible here. Display on each sector only percentage values. Fine, and also legends are also displayed. So place the chart to the left of the bullet points on the slide with the title World Cruise Passenger. So basically they are asking us to copy this chart into our presentation, and on the slide where there is Worldwide Cruise Passenger. So I'm just going to copy this pie chart, and I'm just going to import this pie chart into my slides. So here worldwide cruise, they're asking that you have to put in here. So I'm just going to scroll it, drag it here. Now let us see the further instructions, what further instruction they have asked us to do. So place the chart to the left of the bullet points on the slide with the title World Cruise Passenger. We already did that. So place the chart to the left of bullet point. Fine. So left of bullet points. So here I'm just going to, uh, you know, drag these bullets on the right side and then drag my chart on the left side. You can see that now it is perfectly all right. You can just do the reorganization of this entire thing and then you're ready to go. I'm just going to make it a bit lower here like this. Now it look good. Yeah, like this. Okay, so this is we are done. Worldwide passenger. So place the chart. Okay, we already did that. Set the slideshow so that it loops continuously. So for the slideshow continuous loop, you have to click on slideshow and there is option of set slide setup slideshow. So here there is option of loop continuously until escape. So basically if you are going to put it on slideshow, it's going to continuously repeating itself until you use escape command. So we are done. You can take a screenshot of this and put it in your evidence document according to the instructions, and then save the presentation. Control S. I already have saved the presentation in my work area. Print the presentation as handouts with six slides, or 6 slides to the page. So control P, you can see that there is a one slide, one page. So we have to put 6 slides on one page. So here is the option You can see that 6 slides horizontal, so there are 6 slides on one page, so you can take print of this. Then we have another thing that we have to do. So you have to take print up to this point. Print only the slide with the title Worldwide Cruise Passenger, making sure that this slide fills the full page. So basically, they are asking that only the slide, world, this slide we have to take a print. So in this slide, I'm just going to select this, Control P, and I can select full one page, and then I can select not print all slide, just select print current slide. So this is my current slide that I can take print of. So that is it for this particular portion. We print this slide, make sure center number, candidate number, yes, everything is fully visible. Print only slide title world, yeah, we can take print of this, and that is going to be fine. So that is it for this third PowerPoint presentation task. So so what you have to do, you just have to practice along, download the source files and do the practicing. Okay, thank you.